So what is limiting reagent? Let us consider this reaction, that is formation of ammonia. We can balance this reaction so this is balanced equation. Let us say initially we have 3 mole of nitrogen and 10 mole of hydrogen. Now the question is, which reagent will be consumed first? That is, which reagent is the limiting reagent? So we have two reagents in this case, nitrogen and hydrogen. So the question is, which reagent is the limiting reagent, either nitrogen or hydrogen? To answer this question, we will use molar ratio. Let us write balanced equation once again. Now you see, molar ratio is 1, 3 and 2. This means when 1 mole of nitrogen reacts, at the same time 3 mole of hydrogen reacts. So we can say for 1 mole of nitrogen, 3 mole of hydrogen is needed. And we have been given 3 moles of nitrogen. So for 3 moles of nitrogen, 3 into 3, that is 9 moles of hydrogen is needed. So 9 mole of hydrogen is required. In other words, we can say when all nitrogen, that is 3 mole, reacts, then only 9 mole of hydrogen reacts. This means we can say nitrogen is consumed first. So in this reaction, nitrogen is the limiting reagent. And hydrogen is in excess. That is, hydrogen is left after the end of reaction. So a question can be asked, how many mole of hydrogen will be left after the end of reaction. So you see, initially we have 10 mole of hydrogen, and we have used 9 mole of hydrogen. So 1 mole of hydrogen is left. Now let us do the same problem once again, but this time initially we have 4 mole of nitrogen and 10 mole of hydrogen, and the question is, which reagent is the limiting reagent? You see, for 1 mole of nitrogen, 3 mole of hydrogen is needed. Three mole of hydrogen is needed. And we have 4 mole of nitrogen. So for 4 mole of nitrogen, we require 12 mole of hydrogen. But we have only 10 mole of hydrogen. This means hydrogen will be consumed first. So in this case, hydrogen is the limiting reagent. And nitrogen is in the excess. Basically, we can also calculate how many mole of nitrogen is in excess. And this we can find using that all hydrogen is consumed. So we know all hydrogen is consumed. So for 3 mole of hydrogen, 1 mole of nitrogen is needed. Three mole of hydrogen, 1 mole of nitrogen is needed. So for 1 mole of hydrogen, 1 by 3 mole of nitrogen is needed. And we have been given 10 mole of hydrogen. So we require 10 by 3 mole of nitrogen. So we can say reacted mole of nitrogen is 10 by 3 mole. And initially we have 4 mole of nitrogen. So we can calculate mole of nitrogen that is in excess, that is initial mole minus reacted mole. So we will have 2 by 3 mole. So this is mole of nitrogen that is in excess. One important point, you see In this case, hydrogen is the limiting reagent. But in the first case, nitrogen is the limiting reagent. So which will be the limiting reagent? It depends upon initial quantity that is taken. So we can say which will be the limiting reagent. It depends upon initial amount of reactant. So this is about limiting reagent.